Hi, I'm Connor, and today we're going to be looking at replacing the BRK 600 series alarms with the easichange direct replacement models. easichange have developed both smoke and heat alarm replacement kits, which make them suitable as direct swap outs for the full range. The easichange smoke alarm is designed to replace the BRK 660MBX and 670MBX smoke alarms. The easichange heat alarm is designed to replace the BRK 690MBX heat alarm. It is recommended that all alarms in the system are replaced to maintain optimum system operation. So, as these are mains powered alarms, the first thing to do is to turn the power off. If you're not confident in identifying the power supply, then consider contacting an electrician. Once the power is turned off, simply twist your old BRK alarm off the base plate and disconnect the power connector, being careful not to pull on the wires. Next, take your easichange replacement, insert the 9-volt battery, ensuring that the red tab is pushed down when the battery is inserted, and then clip the alarm together. You can then connect the mains power plug to the back of the base plate. Finally, turn the mains power back on, ensuring that the green mains power light illuminates on your alarm, and press the test button to ensure that it is operating correctly.